Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'd like to teach you to make pumpkin pakora. Let's get started. For this, we need basin. Now, I add rice powder to it. Add salt and mix it well with the help of a spoon. The next step is to add water and start mixing it thoroughly. Keep on adding water until and unless it forms a thick paste. This is a pumpkin leaf. I've washed it and kept on a plate. I've heated the pan and I add oil to it. Now dip the leaf inside the paste. Place it one by one on the plate. Fold it properly. Use the same process. Dip the folded leaf in a pot. Repeat the steps. When it's cooked from the side, you have to turn it. It's getting ready. We remove it and place it on a plate. Now the delicious pumpkin snack is ready. Thanks for watching.